picture nung birthday ni Ash. Tapos, nag-reply siya. Nun lang siya uli nag-reply. Sabi niya, okay, nasa work pa ako, anak. Mas kinamusta niya naman yung anak niya. Pero ngayon naman, araw-araw naman na sila uli nag-uusap.
Leslie? How do you dream of your future with someone else? Paint me a picture.
Hindi ganun kasaya.
No.
Ano?
How do you dream? Ano yung pangarap mo sa future mo with someone?
Sa ibang lalaki?
I don't know. Ano yung pangarap mo of a good family? Paint me a picture ngayong gabi.
Masaya. Kompleto.
Nung dalaga ka pa at nangangarap ka ng family, ano yung family pinapangarap mo? Kwento mo sa akin. Gusto ko malaman.
Na yung kompleto kami. May mommy, may daddy. Anak. Masaya. Kahit simple lang yung buhay namin. At least magkakasama kami. Yun. Hindi naman ako materyosong tao.
How did you want your partner to be when you were younger at nangangarap ka ng partner?
Yung mamahalin ako. Na yung kahit yung pinakabulok kong pagkatao, tatanggapin niya. Na yung kahit yung ups and down namin, magkasama pa rin kami.
Keep believing in some things, even time can't come between. And if playing me, try and realize there were promises and lies. Too many times when you remember me, if you remember me, I hope you see it's not the way I want it to be.
Leslie, I'm torn.
Ha?
Nahihirapan ako.
Ako din, Papa Jack, nahihirapan. Nahihirapan ako kasi alam mo yun, nung kinontak niya uli kami nun, after a month, sabi niya sa akin, dadalhin niya na daw kami dun. Isasama niya, pag uwi niya, asikasuhin niya lang yung papers namin. After a year, kung ma-approve yung papers namin, dadalhin niya kami dun.
Naniniwala ka this will happen? Do you think, Leslie, yung pinangarap mong family at lalaki makakasama, siya pa rin ba?
Oo.
I heard the wind tell the stars above.
I admire you, Leslie. I admire you for seeing what's good in him. I admire you for wanting him to be here forever. Hindi madaling pakinggan yung kwento mo, Leslie. And most of all, hindi madaling payuhan ka. As much as I want to get mad sa kanya, I feel one thing for you. Alam mo kung ano yun?
Ano?
This is against all my guts and my will, but I want to tell you, I want you to wait for him. I want you to wait for him. I want you to hold him tight. I want you to promise him forever again. Maybe, just maybe, alala niya na once upon a time, nangarap kayo magkasabay, but you're going to grow old together. I admire you for being that girl that a guy like us and like him, even if we're doing something bad, you can always be there for us. Congratulations to him, Leslie, kasi he found you in his life. Congratulations sa kanya kasi sa lahat ng ginawa niyang hindi maganda sa'yo, he'll be coming home. And you will give him an open door. It's just so unfair. It's just so unfair na may babalikan siya. But you will be happier. Tama?
Magiging masaya. Pati ba anak ko?
Every now and then we find a special friend.
Noong isang araw, sabi niyo doon sa youngest ko, never niya pa kasi nakita yun. Sabi niya, anak, makikita na din kita. Maiyak na rin kita. Makikita mo na si Daddy. Naintindihan natin yung anak ko. Kasi tuwa siya nun. Tumatawa siya habang nakaharap siya dun sa daddy niya.
Okay. Ngayon I'm crying right now. Alam mo bakit?
Bakit?
Nahiya ako sa'yo.
Bakit naman?
Because there are guys like him. Nahiya ka maging lalaki dahil sa mga lalaking kagaya niya. Nakakahiya sa'yo kasi you are that person na kayang tanggapin a guy like us, like him. In our worst form, you will be there. Leslie, kanina sa kalagitan ng usapan natin, I wanted to tell you so badly. Iwanan mo na siya. Don't wait for him. On the other hand, ayoko na every night you will wonder how would it feel to hold him again. Because I know you wanted that so badly. Tama?
Tama.
And he is days away. Pag-uwi niya, I want you to cook for him. Kasi kasuhin mo siya. Be the best wife you can be for him. Make him remember everything Lahat ng dahilan ba't siya nag-abroad? Nag-abroad siya because he wanted this family to work. And along the way, he lost you.
Actually, Papa Jack, dating pa naman siya nag-abroad.
I want you to bring him back, Leslie. I want you to bring him back. Leslie?
Yes.
On behalf of all the guys out there, we would like to say sorry to you. On behalf of the guys like him, I myself would like to say sorry. You will be okay. I don't know if I can tell you, Leslie, tonight that this will work. Kung magiging kayo habang buhay. Pero kung sakali matapos ito, at least wala kang tinirang para sa kanya. Leslie, bago kita pakawalan,
Yes.
I want you to talk to Daddy tonight. Ipaalala mo sa kanya kung bakit niya kailangan bumalik sa'yo. Go ahead.
Dear, sa kabila ng lahat, kabila ng mga ginawa mo, mahal na mahal kita. Dapat kitang tanggapin. Kahit wala akong pakialam sa sasabihin ng mga kapatid ko, sa mga kaibigan ko. Dito pa din ako. Naantay sa'yo. Kami ng mga anak mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Mahal na mahal kita. Tanda ko na isang araw na sinex kita. Sinabi ko sa'yo, you still make me smile. Even though you're the main reason why I am sad. Mahal na mahal pa rin kita. Ay, nasasaktan ako. Nakakalimutan ko yung sakit na yun. Nakakalimutan ko yung sarili ko. Para sa inyo, para sa iyo, para sa mga anak ko. Kasi mahal na mahal ko kayo. Yun lang, Papa Jack.
Okay. Pasensya ka na, sinabayan ko.
Okay lang.
Una, this is not ideal. Okay? Pagdating niya, regardless kung anong mood niya pagdating niya, be a wife to him.
Yun naman ang bala ko eh.
Remind